Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when no friends are showing on Fortnite. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you want to go ahead and close Fortnite and also Epic Games Launcher. So all you want to do is just click right there, and then you want to go to your task manager, and on task manager you want to close Fortnite and Epic Games Launcher right there. Just end the task. Once you will end the task and you close everything on Epic Games, you want to go ahead and see if the problem persists or not. Now, if the problem persists, you want to open up your search bar, write down CMD and run it as administrator. After it will open up, you want to go ahead and write down ipconfig space / flush DNS. Now, once you have written that down, you want to see if the problem persists or not. You want to relaunch the Fortnite. If the problem still persists, you want to open up your Epic Games Launcher and you want to go click on your profile and scroll down. Basically, just click sign out and sign in again. Basically, this will restart it and it should work now. So if this problem was fixed, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below. Bye.